Oh, that's right. When I stopped recording, well, did record something, but the recording messed up, so I never posted it. But after that, after doing 2 fights or something, I actually got to 3rd tier for this. But I think I got it fully upgraded as well. Let's check. No, don't have the hull because I don't have stuff. Don't know what to do. You know what? We're gonna do it. But I'll make sure this recording works.
General quarters.
Alright, well, starting, try and be a team lead for this. Be like, yeah, let's go for A and B, even though, like, no one will listen. I say that because most of us aren't A and B side. There's only 2 there, so they should go for B. And but, they probably won't listen, That's right, this is a move. I've never used this move before, so I have no idea how good this is. It has 6 turrets on each side. That is a plus. But not much hull or health. I think the ship before this one had a lot more for some reason. I don't know if that's true or not. Just gonna swerve around like that and do this. But as soon as we switch, oh, he's going. So the guy right there, he's fighting him right there. I don't think I'm in range yet. No, I am. We should start shooting at him. The enemy right there is gonna get perfect shots on him. Trying to angle so I can start hitting all my turrets. Hopefully I don't get
Fire at your allies.
just about having collision. I don't know if that's I have no control from the boat. That's way too loud, to be honest. I had to turn it down. Anyways, we did kill him, so it's perfectly fine. Oh god, we're gonna start moving to this guy. Towards B. We have yet to lose a single ship, which is very good, meaning their team sucks. Actually, they lost their tier 5, 2 tier 3s. Because it's all good on our side. The action guy is going in for the kill. Those aren't even gonna hit. Watch. Oh my god. Oh, just about dead. I don't know how much I have to duck though, so that's the problem. Try and angle so I can actually get every turn on this guy. A little bit too concentrated. Oh, he got wrecked. But I can't hit him. Can't not gonna hit him. Very damaged. Hopefully he doesn't accidentally hit me. I'm not gonna get in the range of him before I have to start shooting this guy. Actually, no. Oh, damn. We're staying at St. Louis. Doesn't look too good against him. Don't know if it's yeah, I have to aim very far ahead of him. And a little bit. Yeah, he's gonna get wrecked. Looks like no, I said fire actually. Please hit us a lot of shells. This guy came after him. Don't. Those are good hits right there. Same right here. And I'll be hitting him. Good hits. There's a guy to my right, looks like. Oh, he's slow health. Hopefully he cannot ram me. So I'm not killed by him. I think I need... Oh no, he's gonna kill me. I'm gonna die. Guy right in front of me.
We've destroyed an enemy battleship.
God damn. Get wrecked. Where's the other guy? I know, we got a carrier. That's all we have left. He's gonna be shooting us with his stuff. I got 3 kills. Ship damage is back looks not too good. Front, well, that thing right there. Nah, we're good. Half health. We're good for. He's like right there. I know he's right there.
Autopilot mode.
Just for now. I don't know when I'll ever switch. Oh, there he is, bruh. Dude, the range on the cannons. Oh, he's gonna die. Victory! Well, thanks for watching this. I'm gonna start good editing this. Like the first part, and that's just about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.